Leo. I am a ginger cat. And I love English.
Every video, we learn new English words together. Ready? Let's learn together.
If you like Leo, please subscribe and press the bell. New videos every week.
This is a story about Leo and his friend Leah. Leo is excited today. He is going on a picnic with his friend Leah. Leah, 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 I am here. Leo. Over here. Leo runs to Leah. Hi, Leah. This is a beautiful day. Hi, Leo. Yes, the sky is so blue. Let's find a good spot. Look, near the flowers. It is perfect.
Leo and Leah walk to the flower garden.
Wow, wow. What is inside? I have sandwiches, apples, and juice. That looks delicious.
First, we need a blanket.
Leo spreads the blanket on the grass.
Now we sit down. Thank you, Leo. You are very kind.
A sandwich has bread, cheese, and tomato.
It is very healthy. This is so good. I agree. The cheese is my favorite part. After the sandwich, Leo takes out the apples. Here is a red apple for you.
An apple is red and sweet.
Ooh. It is also very healthy for you. Crunch! The apple is fresh and juicy. Now let's drink some juice.
This is orange juice. It is sweet and cold.
Cheers, Leo.
Cheers, Leah. Let's learn together.
They drink and enjoy the sunshine. Look, Leo. A butterfly. Wow. It is orange and black.
Butterflies love flowers.
It is so beautiful.
Leo and Leah watch the butterfly fly away.
This is a great picnic, Leo. Yes. Picnics are so much fun. A picnic is eating food outside. You can have a picnic in a park, at the beach, or in a garden. Now, let's clean up together. We put everything back in the basket. And we fold the blanket. Good job, Leo!
Good job, Leah! We are a great team!
It is time to go home now. Today was so wonderful. Yes! We learned many words today.
Sandwich. Apple. Juice. Butterfly. Picnic.
Can you use these words in a sentence?
Try this. I eat a sandwich at a picnic.
Leo and Leah say goodbye.
See you next time, Leah.
See you, Leo. This was so fun.
Remember, picnics are fun and food is delicious.
Let's learn together.
Thank you for watching. Goodbye.